I'll never forget the first time I saw her. She was sitting alone in an open field, half sunken into the earth, completely swallowed by rust and silence. This Mercedes 190E had been abandoned for 34 years. The paint was gone, the tires were flat, weeds had grown around her like chains. Most people would have taken one look and walked away, but I didn't, because beneath all that decay, I saw something worth saving.
"34 years of exposure really did a number on this engine. It's completely covered in grease and grime. I'm pointing here at the spark plug wires. You can see the cracks and corrosion. When I manipulate them, they just crumble. The whole ignition system needs replacing. Ready?
Yeah. Lift.
Okay, pull it up now.
Clear on this side.
Let's take it over to the stand. Significant corrosion on the frame rails. This isn't repairable, and we need to replace the metal. As you can see, the corrosion here is extensive, especially on the suspension tower. We'll need to cut out the bad metal and weld in new sections. As you can see, the wide base ensures stability even at this angle, giving us complete access to the frame rails.
Lowering easy, watch the gap. Contact, hold it there. All right, guide that bolt home, looks good.
I've set the welder for the initial patches.
Good. Let's bring it up another 20 degrees and lock it down.
The floor pan needs significant metal work.
And check the arches. We'll have to weld in new sections here.
We might be able to save the door with a patch, but look at the hood. That's too far gone. We'll have to source a replacement panel.
Go ahead and start threading the bolts. That gap looks consistent now. Okay, the last mounting bolt is tight. It's secured. Okay, coming down, guide the transmission input. Got it. Needs to move slightly left. All right, lowering the left side now. Perfect. Looks great, guys.
All right, let's keep it rolling straight ahead. Easy does it. Keep an eye on the front bumper.